Let me see. Nice. All right, clean shaven. Woof. Starting to look like a grizzly bear.
I'm a simple man, don't wanna complicate you.
What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? My name is Ed, and welcome to another episode of Living Dadly. And in this episode, we're going to be talking about the NUU Mobile G3 phone.
What we do here is go back.
Now, to be upfront, I have been enjoying this guy right here, more than I thought. This phone can be found online currently for $200. So is it worth taking a look at? I think so. But enough of that. Let's get into it. I'm gonna draw some specs on screen in 1, 2, 3. As you can see here, it's pretty specced out. Not bad. So, let's get to it. It's running Android 8.0 Oreo. And this is running a MediaTek Helio P25 octa-core 2.39 gigahertz. Now, what does that mean to you? Well, it's quick, it's responsive, it's gonna get you to your apps, and it's gonna get you through your day-to-day use. It's fast, it's quick. It's not lightning fast, but it is snappy and it'll get you through your day. And one of the things that I enjoy is that this phone is running near stock Android, which I am learning to enjoy. Let's talk about the build, look, size, and screen. Now, having said that, one of the things that I have to point out is look how beautiful this looks. Look at that red. Isn't that red awesome? And look at that form factor. Now, I enjoy really holding this in one hand. I like how I can just handle it and not drop it. One-handed use is awesome. It's great. It's using a 5.7-inch screen, IPS panel with an 18:9 aspect ratio with a 720p resolution. The images rarely get distorted or blurry. It's nice, crisp, clean. You can see it. This is my buddy Roger at Life of Tech. If you guys haven't checked him out, I recommend you do so. He makes some really good videos and his quality is top notch. And it looks really good on this screen. The frame is made out of metal, giving it a nice heft in the hand. It's not uncomfortable to hold. That's the other thing I like to note. This phone is very comfortable to hold. It has a slight curvature right here. See? That when you hold it, it really feels nice in the hand. Now, it's important to note that the back of the phone is prone to scratches. So a case is highly recommended. But the great thing that NUU Mobile does is, in the box, oh yeah, they got you covered. They include a case. Now, it's a basic case that'll get you through your day-to-day use. And you might want to upgrade later on, but if you want to use it right away, right out of the box, they got you covered. And I've been using this case, and only this case, since I got the phone, and so far, it's been holding up really well. The fingerprint scanner reads very well with very little misreads and very little failure to open. Okay, next, let's talk about battery. We're talking a 3000 milliamp battery, which gets me about a day and a half of use. That has been my experience. Your experience may vary, but I have to say I have pushed it, used it extensively. Did you hear that? That's the notification on the phone. Isn't that cool? I know, big deal, Ed, but I like the small things, okay? So don't judge me. Now, charging on the phone is fast. It'll get me from 0 to 100% in about 45 minutes. Again, that has been my experience. The G3 comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 storage. But the cool thing about this phone is that it can take a micro SD card for expandable storage, which I have done. I recently purchased for about $10 128 gigs of storage to put on this phone, which I use to take photos on and off for the purpose of reviewing the device. And it's a lifesaver. The sound. Well, that's something that NUU Mobile can probably do a little better on. They can use some work in their audio tuning of the phone because the phone gets loud, don't get me wrong, but it's tinny. Here, I'll pull up a video and you guys can hear for yourself.
It's cold in the city, so I'm gonna make this short and sweet. So, question. Can you get a premium looking phone for under $500? Well, I reached out to my friends at NUU Mobile and they sent me a phone that I think answers that question.
Okay, you got the point. Okay, next, picture quality, video quality. I took this out and about recently with the family to really push it, and I've been really having a good time taking videos, taking pictures. And I am testing out the NUU Mobile G3 phone. I'm taking a walk today downtown. We're at the South Street Seaport, and I am just using the phone. No external microphone. Everything will be just off the phone. So we'll see how it does. I'm going to try to really push this phone to its limit. Take a lot of pictures, take a lot of video, just take a lot of everything. Really push it to see how it holds up. So what's up everybody, here we are at the South Street Seaport. It's a overcast gray day, which it'll be good to test to see if the camera can pick up some good images. The good thing is that we have some natural diffusion, so that's good. There's Joseph running. See how fast he can go. Whoa. Hey guys, I'm using the rear camera again to take some video shots, and it's cold. Woo, it's cold. We are in the city, and the one thing that I'm enjoying about this camera is that it's small and it's really light. I have it on a very small tripod, and it's handling really well. Now, overall, I like the phone, and there's a lot of good about the phone, but there are some things that NUU Mobile can work on. It's the video quality on the phone. Video quality is average. Stabilization on this phone could use work. I find that I have to hold my tripod really super still, and sometimes that's hard. You can find that you'll get a lot of that shaky movement, and that could probably be improved on. But again, not a deal breaker, because I find that most people probably take more pictures than video. And then I have to say the picture quality on the phone is good. I like it, I enjoy it, it gives me decent photos, but it will get you through. And again, for a $200 phone, it's really a good bargain. Now, I'll say this, in my time using this phone, it really hit me that yes, there are some phones that cost more money and there's gear and gadgets that are always gonna have a higher price tag, but is it really worth it for you, the consumer? Maybe not always. These phones, even though they have a lower spec bump than the higher premium phones, well, they work really good. Someone once said that cheap phones are getting good and good phones are getting cheap. And you know what? He was right. And this phone is good, because if your needs are simple, then phones like this in this mid-range category may suit your needs fine. Okay, everybody. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any questions about the phone, please leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. And most importantly, hit that notification bell so you can be alerted to more videos like these when they drop. And I will see you guys in the next video. Dad out. Bye.
Simple man, don't want a complication.
That's a keeper.